G'day folks, this is how you make a automated stat block for your adversary from scratch. First step, make a copy of the adversary builder. After that, you're going to play around with your settings, you're going to make your adversary do what you want. Then, you go to your adversary. What you're going to do, you allow access, change the name, King the Great. What you're going to do first of all is you're going to click Setup and Miss buttons, and then Grant Permissions and Setup Triggers. If you've used the player sheet, it's a very similar process. You just go through all this. It's just simply something that you must do if you're using a Google product and you have JavaScript involved. So once you've done that, you finish making your adversary. It lets you know that all the triggers have been reset and sorted and the new ones are set up. Then you click Make a Stat Block. What this will do is generate a text file over here. And then what you can do is download that text file, copy and paste that information directly into Home Brewery. Let's see what King the Great looks like. Booyah. You can see it's all matching up, 70 health, etc. And that's how you use the Auto Stat Block Maker.